Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Soctone step ladder, 4-step folding with anti-slip pedal, lightweight 4-step ladder with handrails. 330 pounds capacity, perfect for kitchen and household, white. You can find everything with you want. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Perfect size. Our step ladder measures 50.4 x 18.5 x 32.5 inch when open and 55.3 x 18.5 x 1.4 inch when folded. It comes fully assembled and is designed to support up to 330 pounds. The top standing platform size is 11.8 x 7.9 inch and boosts you 37 inch from the ground, making it perfect for reaching high spaces. Easy to store and used, our portable and foldable step ladder can be stored in any corner with its space-saving design. It's super lightweight and perfect for both home and outdoor use. When you're done with it, just tilt the ladder forward and release the safety lock to fold it up. Safety and stability. Our step ladder 4-step folding is built with an upgraded heavy-duty steel frame that can hold up to 330 pounds. It also has a locking hook mechanism that keeps the rubber feet from moving when in use, providing support while preventing scratches to the floor. Multi-purpose use. Our step ladder with handrails provides extra height for cleaning, changing light bulbs, or reaching out to get something. The 4-step ladder makes it easier to get the job done. It also acts as a shelf when unused, making it perfect for your home, kitchen, pantry, bathroom, office, garage, and more. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.